I think one of the things that's really important is that you figure out a version of success for you that is totally inside your control. So I'll give you an example. When Ego is the Enemy came out, it sold more than any of my books had ever sold up to that point, enough to debut #1 on the Wall Street Journal list, should have debuted very high on the New York Times list, but then I pull open the paper those days and it's not fucking there. So if success for me was hitting the list, I would have been disappointed. If success for me was selling lots of copies, I would have been happy, but I also could have very easily been unhappy. So for me, the actual success there is whether the book is good. Did I write the book that I wanted to do? That I controlled. Every day sitting there working on the computer, that was up to me. So what you do is you stop and you figure out where you can find success in the things you control. Epictetus would say, is it up to me? Is it not up to me? And you take the stuff that's up to you, and that's where you put the entirety of your energy. That's where your identity can go because you control it. What you avoid is the temptation to say that success is being famous, success is having lots of money, success is winning certain awards. All those things are nice, they're nice as a bonus. But if you put your identity on them, if you put your self-worth on this platter, someone can come and just knock it the fuck over, and that's not what you want. And so it's really then focusing on what Warren Buffett would call the inner scorecard, not the outer scorecard. And I think it's pretty interesting to hear that idea from him, being, an extraordinarily wealthy man, one of the wealthiest people to ever live. He's saying actually what matters is, are you succeeding by an internal metric? Are you doing what's up to you? That's what success is.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe below for more content from us at Daily Stoic.